Today we will discuss about Japan. So already we have discussed about China and so Tokugawa Shogun and the chart also. So today we will discuss about Japan. See, the country was divided into over 250 domains under the rules of the feudal lords called daimos and the samurais we will discuss in this chapter, in this subtopic. Okay, so the shogun exercised power over the dominal lords, ordering them to stay at the capital Edo means that is now modern Tokyo, for long periods so that they would not pose a threat. And the shoguns also controlled the major cities and the mines. So let's we will discuss about the important points, means the political system of the Japan. Okay, so you have to remember Japan divided the 250 domains on the rules of the feudal lords, that is called the daimo. See, it is the major Sengoku daimo, and it is also one of the map. You can see here there are so many important places here, and also islands. Tokugawa means isolate. Shogun makes decision to keep Japan isolated from invaders. See, now we will discuss about the samurais. Samurai is one of the most important content of the Japan, and the samurai means इसको लेकर के यहाँ पे बहुत कुछ मतलब ये एक तो फेमस वर्ड है. Samurai means the warrior classes. They were the ruling elite and served the shoguns and daimyo. Okay, the samurai were the ruling elite and served the shoguns and daimyo. Understood? Then Japan. See, in the late 16th century, three changes laid the pattern for further development. And number one, तीन ठो चेंजेस क्या हुआ था डेवलपमेंट के लिए जापान में. नंबर वन, पीजेंट्स वेर डिसआर्म्ड एंड ओनली समुराई कुड कैरी द सोर्ड्स. यहाँ पे समुराई को ही इंपॉर्टेंस दिया गया था बिकॉज दे वर द वॉरियर क्लासेस एंड दे कुड कैरी द सोर्ड्स, एंड पीजेंट्स दे वर डिसआर्म्ड. दिस ensured peace and order, ending frequent war of the previous years. मतलब इन लोगों के मतलब ये पूरा कंट्री का प्रोटेक्शन का रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इन लोगों के ऊपर में था. एंड ये जो फ्रीक्वेंट वार को कैसा मतलब ये प्रीवियस ईयर में जो हुआ था इसके लिए यहाँ पे पीस एंड प्रॉस्पेरिटी लाने के लिए दैट सिस्टम वाज चेंज्ड एंड samurai could carry the sword. That is the one point. Then the daimyo means here samurai, daimyo and also the incumbent taxpayers. So the daimyos were ordered to live in the capitals of their domains, each with large degree of autonomy. ओके यहाँ पे डाइमो को जो मतलब दे वर ऑर्डर टू लिव इन द कैपिटल्स, ये लोग मतलब ऑर्डर जापान का कैपिटल मींस दैट इज द ईडो, यहाँ पे ही रहेंगे एंड देन दे कुड कंट्रोल द कंट्री frequently. And the thirdly, land surveys identified owners and taxpayers, graded land productivity to ensure a stable revenue. Thirdly, land surveys identified the owners and the taxpayers. Okay, so means here about the samurais, importance of samurais, daimyos and the taxpayers, graded land productivity to ensure a stable revenue. Then Japan had large cities, Edo, Osaka, Kyoto, led to the growth of a commercial economy and a vibrant culture. यहाँ पे ये दो तीन जगह का नाम यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है, that is the name of the large cities and lead to the growth of a commercial economy and a vibrant culture. यहाँ पे commercial economy का develop हुआ था ये जगह में and it had the vibrant culture also. Increased use of money and creation of stock market lead the economy in new ways. The period witnessed some social and cultural changes. Chinese influence was questioned and study of Japanese literature promoted. Increased use of मनी यूज जो है ये इंक्रीज हुआ था एंड क्रिएशन ऑफ स्टॉक मार्केट इसका भी डेवलप हुआ था, इंक्रीज हुआ था. लीड द इकोनॉमी इन न्यू वेज, ये इकोनॉमी को एक तो नया रास्ता में लेकर के गया था. The period witnessed some social and cultural changes. और यहाँ पे social and cultural changes का भी मतलब बहुत डेवलप हुआ था. Chinese influence was questioned and study of Japanese literature promoted. Next, Japan was considered rich because it imported luxurious goods like silk from China and textiles from India. यहाँ पे Japan was a rich country. It was considered as a rich because it imported the luxury goods like the silk from China. China से silk mean through the sea route and textile from India. यहाँ से import होता था. Japan paid these goods by gold. मतलब इसको लेकर के वो gold के साथ मतलब एक्सचेंज करते थे। इट क्रिएटेड डिस्टरबेंस इन इकोनॉमी में डिस्टरबेंस इसमें क्रिएट भी हुआ था। टोकुगावा पुट रेस्ट्रिक्शंस इन एक्सपोर्ट ऑफ मेटल्स। Okay, that is also important points. Then they also taken steps to start a silk industry in Nisijin in Kyoto to reduce the import. इसलिए ये लोग क्या किए ना, एक तो सिल्क इंडस्ट्री निसिजिन नाम का एक तो जगह में, क्योटो का निसिजिन में यहाँ पे एक तो सिल्क इंडस्ट्री बना गया ताकि इन लोगों को इंपोर्ट करने के लिए इतना नहीं पड़ेगा. That reduce the import. And the silk from Nisijin came to be known as the West in the world. और ये जो निसिजिन में जो सिल्क इंडस्ट्री जो था, इट बिकेम द फेमस एंड बेस्ट इन द वर्ल्ड एंड इट शोज दैट इकोनॉमी डेवलप इन न्यू वेज. ये मतलब इकोनॉमी का डेवलपमेंट बिकॉज जापान वाज ए रिच कंट्री, जापान इज ए रिच कंट्री नाउ आल्सो, इट इज डेवलप्ड कंट्री आल्सो बिकॉज दे always try to learn the new skills and the new ideas from the foreign countries. That's why it was one of the most important rich content of Japan, rich thought of Japan. That's why that economy also developed, and if the economy will be developed, then definitely the country will develop. Okay, so it shows that economy development in new ways. एक तो नया रास्ता में economy का develop हुआ था. Then the Meiji restoration, that it is also one of the most important subtopic of this chapter, so we will discuss in the next video. So till then you have to write all the points about the Japan and also watch 2 times to remember the points, because if any question will come about the Japan, then you have to write that points only. Okay, so next video I will make about the Meiji restoration for the students. Okay, thank you all of you.